I'm saying the same thing.
What? Chill.
Man down, nigga. Get done up, cuz, you feel me?
Ow.
You know what's crazy?
Why you shoot the cameraman?
He shoots 2 at a time. And you shot the cameraman because it's a Chirac movie video.
Damn. Okay, so Drew just shot me in the nuts. For no reason. For no reason at that.
You know what I'm here. He doesn't know you're there.
I see.
He saw you?
Good morning.
Chill.
Wait, where's the flash? I didn't realize that.
Okay, so apparently, keep forgetting to zoom this shit out. So today we're going to the beach apparently. We're playing football on the beach, right?
Yeah.
All right, bet.
Actually, yeah. Look at that. Where's? I'm about to say, I don't know if so whoever's not going parasailing, but mommy's she's like a half hour away from us, but also the boardwalk is near where she is.
Yeah.
That's where I said. So I don't know how that works, but Dana said some of y'all might be going to the beach across the way. Hey,
Yeah. So some people are going parasailing. I have no idea what that is, and some people are going to the beach. Xavier, look who's finally awake. He's still mad. First of all, okay, he's still mad at me for this nigga shooting him with a Nerf gun. Huh?
I got you. Everybody in this house can get this fade. This ain't a game no more. This is war.
I highly doubt he can hear you.
Oh, he right there. If he feeling froggy, leave. Shit. I forgot how fast this shit.
Nigga,
It's like, I ain't scared.
I'm about to say, you felt the rest of that Nerf gun twice this week.
Now it's the way he just looked at shit. And I want to laugh so bad, but if I laugh, my head gonna hurt.
My head still hurts. I didn't even drink. I barely even drank last night.
We gotta set up a plan, right? So, I want you to distract me, right?
Why do I gotta be the decoy?
Because you got me fucked up. You wanna get shot?
Why can't you be the decoy?
You wanna get shot?
I don't want to get shot, but I don't want to be the fucking decoy.
Because if I grab the gun and you don't do this for me, it's all headshots. Like, I'm double homicide on the field. Like, everybody catching a body. I'm catching how many people's in the even the kids. The kids gotta get to it. I'm on a warpath. I'm taking out moms, daughters, kids, grandmas, taking out people's kneecaps. Like, I'm going berserk. I'm talking about the beach too. Like, if I see a little kid, just like pop him. He looks at me in the arm.
Okay,
Nigga, knocking. Oh! Yeah.
Oh shit!
I heard everything. I heard the whole plan. Headshots, right? Let me in, man. Yeah, let's have a little conversation. Let's have a little conversation.
You ain't check the door, nigga?
Let's have a conversation.
You ain't check the door, nigga?
Let me in. I just want to talk to him. I just want to talk to him.
Watch.
Headshots, bro? Huh? Headshots? On the beach? Wow, that's petty.
What would you do?
I got bigger fish to fry right now. Don't come back for me.
You got bigger fish to fry? Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy.
You can't whisper for shit.
I'm gonna beat your ass, bro.
What did I do?
I'm gonna say something, I can't say it on YouTube without you getting demonetized.
I'm not monetized,
And your
nigga.
balls, my foot, and your ass, boy. I'm gonna put my foot up your ass. Just far up, niggas. And then when I pull it out, it's on high.
What, nigga?
Nigga just lost his train of thought.
What the hell just happened?
Headshot, nigga. Oh. Bang, chitty, chitty, bang, bang. Yo, roll for that. Chitty, chitty, bang, bang. Sam, come save your man. Come save your man.
There's someone else down there. What I just saw was...
Oh, my shoulder.
They just put that...
She shot a player.
I got you. All right, 3 shaking my shoulder. How about that?
Help!
We win.
You ain't win shit.
Wait, I'm having that down here. You talk about we win. Alright, that's enough.
Yeah.
That's enough.
Come down. Hey, drop the gun or he gets it. Drop the gun, I'm loading the clip on his chest.
Pause. Pause. Pause.
I say you can move. Then I say you can move.
All right.
Hands up, don't shoot.
Oh shit.
On your knees.
On your knees.
On your
You're not gonna
knees.
tell me about load on my chest and then tell me to get on my knees.
I said what I said. No regrets left.
You reloaded?
Put it down. Put it down.
Stop resisting.
All right.
Hands over your head. Slowly. That's right.
All right. I give up,
Drop the
y'all.
gun.
Hey, you should have got your own.
Get him.
Back
Get
up.
him. Get him. Get him.
Back up.
Slowly.
Down the steps.
Frank, was it?
No, wait, nigga. I ain't going down with that fight. Bitch. Nigga.
Punch it now.
Out.
Yeah, nigga. Nothing for you. Nah, fuck that. He punched me in my stomach. No activity.
I think it-
you night, nigga.
I think he lost his kneecaps.
I ain't miss kneecap. 3 seconds. He lost some looking babies.
Run, babe! I'm done.
Empty the bullets. Empty the bullets and had to move.
Like fucking
Empty the bullets and had to move.
from the state.
I ain't trying to.
Fuck out of here. I'm like, yo, this was some fake ass.
Both of these. You ain't got no gun. Where the weed at?
You're an idiot.
That's your cousin. Good. Did you fire?
All right, y'all got that.
So Drew, where Corey at?
I think he's in the bathroom.
Your aim is terrible.
Oh my god.
Put the gun down.
Put the
gun down. Drop the gun. Drop the gun.
No, I'm not really.
Drop it.
He plotted me, man.
I see him.
No, not on this nigga right here.
Chill. Look, I dropped the gun. Just let her go.
You drop the gun.
Drop
Give me the gun.
Nah, nigga.
This is how it turns to a war zone. Nah, don't let her go. Let her go. We dropped the gun.
I ain't want to do it. I ain't gonna have to do it. Oh, you know who you fucking with? I told you to stay down. You don't listen. Headshot,
I'm just the cameraman.
Alright, we're done. We're out.
Xavier picked up 2 empty guns.
B3, that's me good.
Empty.
Yeah. Here, fuck, dude.
Goddamn gunfight. I saved you. I saved you.
Take it down. Oh. Chance now. Put the gun down. We said, hey, put the gun down.
You know it's empty. We know it's empty. We run for light.
So I'm giving you a chance to go to your room, lay down in your bed, take a little nap. 5 minutes. Because if not, I swear to Almighty God, I'll blow your goddamn head off. 5,
I got one question.
4,
I got one question.
3,
Nigga.
2,
Alright.
time's up.
When we come back, y'all better be strapped.
What will we change? You look at it from the Draco.
I ain't gonna try to intimidate them with empty bullets. No, I used all of them to threaten nobody. Why'd your dumb ass pick it up?
Cause they shot me. I was trying to
You
revenge.
had your own damn gun. Ever should have told you.
Damn.
I'm just recording.
I'm over here trying to defend myself. I know we were bringing guns.
I didn't want to have to use.
I told you to bring a Nerf gun. I told you to buy a Nerf gun.
Grab my girl and put a goddamn Next time you put the goddamn Nerf gun on my girl's head, that's your ass.
I
And don't tell me you gonna unload a whole load on my chest. That's gay. That is gay. You have a girlfriend, sir. That's gay. Faggot.
I was like watching that episode.
Okay, I'm trying not to be canceled.
He had a gun to her.
And they gonna immediately tell me to get on my knees after that.
You know what I mean? Like,
Hey, Joe.
I need some bullets. I asked you if you need some bullets. I asked you what you're doing. You look like you're taking my bullets. Listen. I'm to work the safety bitch. I'm to work the safety bitch. Damn it! Ellie! Ah, I got him now! I will kill myself! Now, what we have here is a failure to communicate. I thought I told your ass to check it out. You don't know how to listen. He said I killed myself. Body bag, nigga.
They don't ever learn. They don't learn.
I didn't want to do it. You my boy. You my boy. But I had to do it.
You are the chosen one.
I had to avenge my family, bro.
It said you destroyed the ship, not join them. Sam, you're walking too slow.
Sorry. It's my sister's birthday. I gotta post.
Ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. And now you see why this trip is so fucking expensive.
Right.
Honestly, once you get the payments out of the way, everything is smooth sailing.
Yeah.
Was this always here?
Huh?
This wasn't always here.
Yeah, I'm about to say this wasn't here.
We used to have to walk up this fucking line.
This shit wasn't here before. Yeah, it was not here before.
Came at a good time.
Here we go. Why the fuck do I have socks on? Now that I think about it. I mean, what do you expect? It's literally in the middle of the beaming sun. I'm crying. Xavier said, "Fuck all that." We are at the beach. Nope, Cap. This is my favorite beach. This is my favorite beach ever. This is the beach goat. This is the beach goat. Best beach ever. Better than Florida. I'm telling you right now. This is the only place I like going on vacation besides. I want to say besides Florida because I haven't been to Florida since the fucking cruise last year. 2 years ago, I meant to say. Oh my God, this thing is hot. Hell no. Touche. Touche. This he gonna use
Your word.
That was our house last year.
That's what I said. Which one?
That one right there, the one I'm pointing at.
That is now, because remember the one next to it had that fucking patio.
Yep.
Yeah.
We were right on the beach.
Wait, that green was last year?
No, the one right there. The one next to it.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
Because the one next to it had that little patio shit.
It wasn't. Bro, our house was, first of all, our house was newer. It wasn't older like that house. I'm telling you, our house was down there. Because when we came on the beach, the hotels and shit was not down there. It was just all houses. Our house was way down there.
Are you sure? like it was.
Say, goddamn, that shit. Literally, walk outside and going like, I'm gonna be done.
I feel
real quick. Are we sitting up here?
Yep. Time to let the belly out.
We out here. Don't go, Sam, don't go too far.
I'm not.
Cause niggas cannot swim. Only thing is, Jameer's is tall as hell. Okay, I know I don't have glasses on, but I cannot see Corey. Yo, Xavier. Yo, Xavier. Yo, Xavier. It's your boy X. Oh, you ready? Huh? You ready? All right, bro. Toronto Bongo! What the hell is this? Cannot get your hair wet, ever. This dude for a second looked like an alien. He looked like Piccolo with that. Your hair. That drop fucked me up! That drop fucked me up! Ah! Shit! Yo!
You proud of yourself?
That drop fucked me up!
I'm not gonna lie. That was like a cool, like, I wanna say like 4 out of 10. But because like that drop was low-key funny and the way your hair popped up, it was like you were Piccolo for a second. So I'm gonna give you like a cool like 4.2. It ain't much, but it's not a 4.
Suck my dick.
4.2.
Suck my, suck my dick in the place.
Hey yo, don't be stealing my phrase. I'm gonna go find Nemo.
Good luck. Dumbass nigga. Hoe ass nigga. Yeah. I'm talking to you. And that's why you got your ass lit up earlier, dummy.
You're in 4K. 4K. Yeah, that's something right here. So right here. Can't do it. Cool as hell. Ooh-wee. It's cold as hell out here now.
Yeah, it got cold out of nowhere.
Oh, damn.
There you go.
Hold on. Fuck. I felt lonely. What's up, guys? Welcome to the life of Mir. No, just floating in the water and shit. Alka boy, you feel me? The Alka boy.
Get rid of the whatchamacallit?
Huh?
Get rid of that.
I'm
Inflow.
good. I'm good. It's an inflow.
Get rid of the inflow.
I do what I want. I'm down for it.
Now today you won't.
So this the part I like the most.
This the part you like the most. Why not put
a long hard wood in your back.
You got a fish right in front of you, Jay.
Oh, this is fishies?
Yeah.
Oh. Catch. Come here, catch. Why not?
You throw that thing, it's gone. That's
Come on, that's the case.
I'll catch it.
Please, like legit, please catch it. Do not know, risky, no, I can't fuck with you. You be bullshitting. You be bullshitting. I don't know if you're gonna actually catch it or not. I don't trust you, Rich.
Why?
Because you give me that face like you're not gonna catch it. Like you're not gonna catch it.
What makes you say that?
Because I seen you do shit like that, Rich.
I don't know.
You don't have to.
You don't know my story.
I feel like we're just getting further and further away from where we actually are.
We are. That's
You walk back.
No. No. Pause. No. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Not even cool and stuff. Yeah.
Everywhere.
wait till we got here. It was cold. It's warm now. When we first got in, it was warm.
Yeah. Please don't drown. Please do not drown.
This wall may be lit. It's warm now though.
Dog pile. Let me stop.
As soon as I got here, we took everybody. Yep. Everybody. And I think the war has begun again.
For what?
We got some new faces. The war has begun again.
With what?
The war.
What war?
Don't worry about it.
Nah, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. No, it hasn't. Because I thought beer pong day, I was just gonna be able to wake up and start drinking immediately, right? But nope, I found out after I partake in some activities prior, fucked me up. So now I have to come down from what I'm doing over there to lock in. You know, the scary part is I'm always locked in. So it doesn't fucking matter anymore, okay? Because once they said it's game time, it's game time. And me and Mir don't play around when it's game time. Game time means it's the time to clock in. We like getting paid and everything. So, you know, it doesn't matter, you know, how long it takes us to get paid. We get paid at the end of the day because, you know why? We're what is it, 3 years? 3 years?
3 years running.
3 years running. 3 years running, and it's the same people. Just they're trying to bring in these extra people and shit. It don't fucking matter. It's the same niggas on the same team. And what they do?
They fold.
We let them fold. That's the crazy part. We're toying with niggas. It's like you know, it's for effect. You know what I'm saying?
But here's the thing. There might be extra competition this time.
I keep hearing that every year. Every year I hear extra competition, and every year I just gotta win an extra game. It's easy, but let me get. At the end of the day,
I don't think it'll be easy this year, Drew.
I hear that every year. If you could hear the audio from last year, said the same shit. The audio from that year, same shit.
I don't think we recorded. I only recorded 2018.
Because at the end of the day, I've been saying the same shit. 3 years running, undefeated.
Okay.
Enough said.
Okay. Talk your shit.
4 times. This year, 4 times. Fuck. 3 years running.
Just so you know, you may not leave with those titles this year.
You know what's crazy?
No, it's not May. You
crazy?
will not leave with those titles this year.
You know why I had my mother buy them for me? Because one, they're mine. I love them. They're my titles because I rightfully won them, right? So that's why my mother paid for them. And since my mother paid for them and it's my mother's money, I don't let niggas take my mother's shit.
True.
So why would I ever lose my titles, which my mother gave to me? That you know that makes sense.
True.
That makes sense because if I lost them, my mother would beat my ass. I ain't scared of nobody here. My mother, that's the don't get me started, right? But I'm not losing my mother's shit.
Hey man.
3 years straight.
Hey man, we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, we will. Same result, but that's for the end when I'm celebrating with my title around my waist again.
All right, let's get it.
Yeah.
You know what it is. 4-time beer pong champ, undefeated, never lost. Defending my title again tonight with my partner Drew.
I've been out here this whole time.
And we got a competitor right here. He's getting his ass whooped tonight. Him and his partner. Cameraman holding the camera, you getting your ass whooped, you and your partner.
Okay.
Anybody in that house getting the ass whooped, they and their partner. You know why? Because I don't lose. I woke
Okay.
up ready to win. Until
That's a victory.
That's all I'm about, victory. That's all I do. That's all I get dubs.
I'm telling you right now, we're not losing. Plain and simple.
We're not losing. Unless I'm gonna be honest with you. Unless that like
10% kicks in where I'm just ass, just give me like, I'm telling you right now, unless they, no, actually, that's not even it. Because even my 10% bad, I'm still getting like a student game. I'm saying if they go on some Ultra Instinct type bullshit, then I'll be worried. You feel me? But
Which they won't be.
Which they won't.
9 times out of 10
But
in the
I'm
first
telling
round.
you, bro.
9 times out of 10 in the first round, we're going up against my mom and Keisha.
Then we putting them in a body bag, bro.
Bro, anybody we meet,
if we lose,
anybody we meet in this tournament is getting put in the body bag.
Listen, but if we lose to your mom and Keisha, bro.
We're not losing to my mom and Keisha. They couldn't even beat me and Damon.
I'm just saying this though. Don't be surprised if I'm not here tomorrow. Like you, I might have to go over. Like
nigga, we're not losing to my mom and Keisha. They couldn't even beat me and Damon.
That's fine, bro. What place did you get in last time? What place you get in?
I lost in the semifinals.
Lost in the semifinals. Alright, that's so good. That's so good. We going to the final. We don't gotta worry about shit. We don't gotta worry about nothing. Yeah, boys a go. I've been through some recent changes in my life where I told myself 2021 I was becoming a different fucking breed. So I'm gonna be honest with you, like I'm a different fucking breed, my nigga. Like I'm not 100%. You know what I mean? I'm not 100. Next summer I will definitely be like 200.
That's what I'm afraid of.
But I'm straight. I'm straight. What do you mean?
Nothing.
They will never get back to your old self?
I don't want to be my old self, nigga.
Yeah, not your old self, but like become somebody new. Like I became someone new. Like you can't even picture this 2016-year-old me to me now. Like I'm a completely different person. Even 2018 when I first started college, I'm a completely different person. Like I know niggas that I haven't talked to in like 5 months. No, not 5 months, like 5 years. And they're like, what the fuck? Like you don't do this, this, and this. No, I was like, I'm chilling. Like you'll get there, my boy. It takes time, but you guys do some self-reflecting. But anyway, we about to take this dub. All right, so don't even worry about it.
All done. We're not losing.
I had to talk my shit. You feel me? Cause okay, so now that I know that they came outside to talk their shit, now I'm really finna beat the ass. Cause they did it like some secret meeting type shit. I didn't know we were talking shit, so they probably said some sick shit. I'm gonna see it in this video too. If they said anything too crazy, like we might have to throw the gloves back in Jersey. I'm not gonna hold you.
All right, so we here, Virginia Beach. We're gonna have this beer pong tournament tonight. I'm gonna just say this. I'm gonna take it all straight. Just me, by myself. On God, fuck everybody else. On God for the nigga Frank. On God for the nigga Damon. Well, Damon's my partner. Never mind. He's my partner, so we're gonna keep that. All right, but on God for the niggas Mir and Drew, because the niggas always win, and we're gonna make sure they don't win, because last time I almost beat their ass, and they can't say shit about it when I do. And I'm gonna talk hella shit when them niggas finally had to pass me them belts. Both of them, both to me. Damn it, he can have one part time, but both to me. We gonna beat their ass, and that's all I got to say. Cause ain't nobody gonna stop me this year.
I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
You don't gotta say shit. Don't say shit to me. I don't even know you. Fuck you, nigga.
What's up? This is Frank from Allstate. I'm here to report live for the ping pong tournament we're doing later tonight.
Got beer pong.
So you'll be seeing me, Frank from Allstate, beat the nigga Mir and the nigga Drew again, even though they were last year's champions, but I'm fairly determined that our team will pull through and do amazing numbers. Just to reiterate, you know, I'm a beer pong enthusiast, superior in the art of beer pong, if I do say so myself. I'm well acclaimed in many states, you know what I mean? Never mind the background noise disrupting my amazing intro. You know, I do this for real, you know what I mean? Haters gonna hate, you know what I mean? Real, recognize real. You know, and it's all about the flick of the wrist, you know what I mean? So, you know, why are you here? Why are you here? Where you get the bell from?
Yo, he's an asshole.
See, now what we have here is what we call the beige specimen. Now this is what we call a champion. Champion's a bit of a strong word. Champion. You see, this ain't even a real belt. This is a tinfoil, you know what I mean? But it's okay.
Then you lose in the first round last year?
¿Qué pasa?
You lost in the first round last year, right?
No, I let you win.
Bro, no, bro. Don't worry about this, bro. I need this polished off for me for when I take it home.
Who are you? Who is this?
Who are you? You old school, bro. Bro, I don't want to hear none of that, bro.
Damn.
Are you even legal?
I just need you.
Are you even legal?
Y'all gonna interrupt Frank's intro though?
Let me see the ID. Like,
I mean,
My ID's
are you old enough for the tournament?
as long as he loses, I'm content. That's all that matters. As long as he loses, I'm content.
Bro, you really flaunting around like we'll win this year.
Really beige.
Bro, I don't care about none of that, bro. All I gotta say is
he changed his wardrobe just to flex for the
I
camera.
want him in the first round. I'm not gonna hold you. I want them in the first round.
No.
I'm putting them in a body bag early. Because I want them to look at us the whole game going, this could have been.
I'm gonna wrap this up. Alright? Mark my words. He losing. He gonna fold. You understand? You're gonna fold, and then he'll be forced to make that fake ass loser face, biting his lip in the sun, looking all light skinned, and I'm gonna be there to bask in my glory. You understand?
Yes.
You understand? That's what we
Sir,
do. You don't believe in yourself.
I'm specifically coming for Drew,
I know, right? You're like,
and
oh,
I'm
look at her
coming for
trying to
Jameer.
keep her
The
head
ass is mine. I'm gonna beat them in everything.
up. Everything?
Everything.
Everything?
Beer pong, volleyball, kickball,
Volleyball?
tug of war, everything.
Tug of war?
I want it all.
It's been a while since you served. I don't know if you got it like that.
I got it like that.
I don't know if you got it like that.
I got it like that.
Oh, my mom talking shit.
I think
And just because I'm old, don't think I ain't
you were
athletic.
tired.
You ain't on.
You were
I'm a
tired.
former soldier.
You were tired. It's
I'm
been
a
a while
Wuhan
since you saw
soldier.
combat. It's been a while.
Talk your
I can
shit.
shoot a
Talk
gun.
your shit.
I ain't scared.
You like the female Captain America. It's been a while. You
I
need
just
to-
been on ice.
Need to thaw her out. I don't know.
I done had 2 drinks.
Hey, yo, my mom coming out of retirement.
I'm coming out of retirement
I don't know.
because I am personally offended that I
come
was
out that
drafted
Walker.
second to last.
Yo, they
I
did
don't
you
know.
dirty. I was like, where my
Right.
guy?
So
They said, nah,
I got a bone
hold
to
up.
pick and I got a chip on my shoulder and it's coming off.
Oh,
I don't know.
shit.
I ain't got nothing to win. I ain't got nothing to lose. I'm tired. I'm gonna take a snooze.
All right, so while I'm here mostly to get drunk, I do believe, because let me see, Drew and Mir won last year. I think Mir has a fair chance to win it again, and I think maybe Frank. Otherwise, I love TJ to pieces, but he's not gonna make it. Rich not gonna make it. Corey's not gonna make it. Then he's gonna get mad, and then Sapphira's gonna have to go and pat his back. Who else? I think that's just about it. Me and Malia are here to have fun and get drunk. So honestly, that's my prediction.
What's good, Godamake family? It's your boy, Godamake, and I'm back with another video. We got a beer pong tournament. Wait, Joe, it's 2 of the bounces, right?
Now, does everybody please put their drink aside?
Come back. Come back.
Your aim is terrible.
Game.
Yeah, Coriel's definitely game. Yeah, Coriel's game, all right. You're not me. That's what I'm talking about, Frank. 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 You're not even aiming at this point. Let's go! Oh, attention. Redemption. Oh! Very intense first match. Very intense first match. I told you! I told you I was gonna happen! I told you that was gonna happen! Yo. Okay, so my mom just busted her ass. Yo! I got that okay. Yo! You okay? Are you okay? Just let you know? I got that. She fell in slow motion. Come back here. Her and Keisha in beer pong or barbecue raccoon booty. They suck.
Get right, get go, see you again.
Ready, Deanna? I can't talk six. I lost in the first round, so. Nah. I lost to fucking Tehran, okay? I lost to Tehran. Okay, Leslie. Okay, Leslie.
My car came from, my chain going, they ain't going, man, look where we came from. All your bangles got my name on it. She want me back. Every day we live, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke,
Leslie holding it down. Leslie holding it down. Leslie holding it down. She holding it down. Leslie holding it down.
That's more than three. That's still that game, bro. That's game.
They said we took a nap and still won.
Good shit, Deanna.
What I said was, we won.
Good shit, Leslie.
Wow. That was a lot. We came in and say, what just happened?
The champs.
Where was it? This is for the paranoia.
Raise the belt, raise the belt. Raise the belt, raise the belt. Tag team champs.
Sometimes I get ridiculous. I'll even buy your crackers and your liquor as and my nose is large, I get stupid. Shooting out like Cupid. I get some work to back in the biscuits.
I got on camera. I got on camera. I got on. You bounced it. You bounced it. Good shit, Drew. 3-3.
Say, brother, put that shit.
2-2. 2-1. 2-1. Let's go, Drew.
So big it can't even fit in the parking spot. You ain't talking about my niggas, but what you talking about?
Hold it down, Leslie.
Get a pussy drunk over, don't carry on. And it's on, and I'm gone. That's that.
Let's go, D. Let's go, D.
I don't and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be. And niggas trying to take guys with my dungeon. Gotta tip a nigga, go ahead. Turn back, make it classy. Get out of here.
This is not going well. Come on, Deanna.
This is for my niggas on the block.
Leslie!
For the niggas on top. Doing life behind bars. I don't see only dogs. I love my game.
Talk is cheap, motherfucker. Get out of here. Get out of here. I need another bitch. Get out of here.
Yo, Damon. Toronto and Mahogany are in the finals. If they win.
No, I didn't beat you. I bust your ass. Well, I might not. I'm all about women empowerment. I see the women beating them. Stop it, bro. I don't know.
Okay, Tori.
Take a picture with my phone, which is on my cologne. You see it. I'm like, in mine. How many niggas in the club won't do? You see it. Booties go. My verses still be serving like a million verses. Last time I was out in Greenwood, tell my nigga.
Up next is Teron and Mahogany versus Jameer and Drew for the tag team championships. Drew, come here. Drew, come here. Tag team championship on the line.
Yeah, I know it. I know the street.
Who will come out on top? Who will come out on top?
It was already planned. We already know what the deal was. We know who's going to be in the finals. It's going to be me and whoever decided to team up this time. This year, it's a father-daughter duo. I respect the storyline. I respect it. But at the same time, we're going against brothers. They've been doing this for years. So,
let's do it.
You already know the answer.
Let's get it.
I'm telling. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Y'all need to retire your shit.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Yeah, I put the B on that hat. You get hit with the eagle. From Philly to that. Now tell the world I don't know my person like cousin.
Get out of here. Come on, end it.
Lying on the
Hey, what she said? Get out of here. Hey, she said out here. Let's get it. Come on.
Let's go. The new tag team champions. The new tag team champions.
Get the waist. Get the waist. Not the face. Get the waist. Not the face. Get the waist. Hey, I'm deceased. I'm not.
She said you can have it back though. She said I'm gonna go to bed on that.
gotta yank it though.
She said take that shit
Regardless of what the question is, what the statement is, if we say, I plead the fifth,
Hey yo, that's crazy. Yo, yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. I just need you to get him out of there. I just need them to get out of there.
what do you want to do?
I know I'm not supposed to get you on camera, but I have to for this.
Four times before you realize, I think I might love archery. 2% harder gear. Just practice.
You ain't too old.
And the war continues. At 1 o'clock in the morning.